Hi, I'm Deepak Patania and you're on dArtofScience, where you'll see a lot of DIYs and experiments that show science creatively. Recently, Cuemath, an edtech company, partnered with us to create some innovative math content. So we thought, why not visualize mathematical concepts in a tangible way? So in each of these videos, we took a real-world problem and explained it through math. First in the regular textbook way, and then we explained it through our trademark hands-on way, which you can even try and should try at home. Maths and DIY sounds interesting? We present to you the art of math.
Oh no, we're late again. Coach will definitely punish us.
Yes, let's hurry up.
Bye, Coach.
Bye, Coach.
Bye, boys. See you tomorrow. Hey, you guys. You're late again. The other kids have already left. You know what you got to do? 10 rounds around the court. Come on, off you go.
Let me run on the line.
Okay, no problem. There's no difference. I'm so tired. Aren't you as tired as I am?
Because I ran less than you.
What? Not possible. We both did 10 rounds.
Well, you see, I ran on the edge of the line while you ran 2 feet away. So at the end of one lap, you took 8 or 10 extra steps. So at the end of 10 rounds, you took at least 80 extra steps.
No way. You must be right, but it doesn't make sense to me.
Coach, can you explain how this happens?
Yeah, sure. We can do that the Cuemath way.
This DIY will show who ran more than the other and by how much. Have you noticed that when we draw shapes, we first draw the outline of a shape and then color the inside? This outline that we draw is actually called the perimeter of a shape. Perimeter is the border or the boundary or the outline or the edge of a shape. It's not only the distance around the shape, in fact, it's the shortest possible distance around a shape. Let's look at some examples of perimeter. Take a look at this piece of bread. See the brown edges that make the border of the bread. This could loosely be considered the perimeter of the bread. Now that we know what a perimeter is, let's see how to calculate it. Since all the sides of a square are equal, we'll name them S for sides. Let's take this square and unfold its sides. Notice how this ribbon, which was along its sides, made the entire boundary, and the boundary, as we know, is called the perimeter of a shape. Perimeter of a square will be the side plus side plus side plus side, and this equals to 4 times side. Let's unfold the sides of a rectangle. The sides of a rectangle are length, breadth, and breadth again. Here we see once again that the sides form the boundary of the rectangle. So the perimeter of a rectangle will be length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. This equals to 2 times the length plus 2 times the breadth, which equals to 2 times length plus breadth. Let's try this for a triangle. Now we know that the sides of the shape make up its boundary. So the simplest way to find the perimeter of a shape is just to add all the sides together. Similarly, in a triangle, the perimeter equals to the sum of the 3 sides of the triangle A plus B plus C. To see how to make this DIY, check out DIY measuring wheel on dArtofScience on YouTube.
Hey, now with this I can see how much you ran and how much I ran. 1, 2, 3, 4, 63, 64. You ran 64 meters per round. Now let's see how much I ran. 1, 2, 3, 4, 74, 75, 76. I ran 76 meters per round. Hey, I ran much more than you. And while I was doing this, I also realized maybe this is why 400-meter track runners start at different positions.
That's absolutely correct.
Now it makes sense to me why I was so tired. Next time you run outside and I will run on the line.
Next time you run on the line while I'll come on time.